Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and 8 years ago when I bought my Cobra, 8 years this month, it had this really cool MGW shift ball on it. I really liked it. It feels really good in the hand, and it has the cool Cobra symbol on the top that apparently they can't make anymore or stopped making because of copyright things. So it's kind of a unique piece, but as much as I loved it, I definitely wanted to have the Cobra's shift knob on there, and luckily the original owner did give it to me. But it was fun to put it on and just kind of feel through the gears. That was the first time I ever handled a T56, and so that was the feel that was associated to it. And at the time, I remember I was driving the car and I couldn't remember if reverse would be at the top right or the bottom right. So I actually had to kind of, when I was stopped with the car, put it in gear and kind of inch it forward and back and remember that as I was driving the car home. So I took it and kind of cleaned it up. I had at one time put some Never-Dull aluminum cleaner on it, and so it had some black down in there, so I really scrubbed it and hit it with a Q-tip to kind of clean it up. But anyway, it's a cool little shift knob, and in the end though, I really like the OEM factory one. And these shift knobs became very hard to find a few years back, and I remember the prices skyrocketed once Ford no longer offered them for sale. And then SVE did come through and make a reproduction version, and it was a pretty fair price for the big demand that there was on it at the time. And the only real difference is if you look at where it says the gears, it's a little bit thicker up on top, so that actual plate seems to be a lot deeper. And of course the leather's a little different, but it's very nice. I was very lucky at the time to actually pick up a original Ford one, and so this one says it's specifically for the T56 with the part number on it. Some of them came in a box, and then this one came in the clear packaging. But anyway, I have that one just as a little backup for the future. And since we're talking about shift knobs, this was a really cool one that my friend, whose name was also Danny, and he had a Screaming Yellow 04 Cobra, and he went auto, and when he did, he didn't need this anymore, so he sold it to me, and I enjoy it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know what shift knob you like to roll the gears with. And anyway, that's this one. This is the MGW one, and let me know if you've ever seen one of these. Thanks for watching.